hard time figuring out which stamps I want to use. I think these work fine. And it kind of matches a little bit like the vibe, but hi, I just got out of the shower and I got these this morning. I literally cannot wait any longer to open them. I'm also really nervous about these because it's my first time having stickers with an effect, like manufactured. Ready? Oh my gosh, it's exactly what I had in mind. Stop, you're joking. I don't like the cut line very much, but I put like white glitter on the tooth. Okay, there you kind of see on the tooth, and then there's two sparkles over here that are very faint. I think I'm gonna see what it looks like cut myself. See, I think I like that cut line a little bit more, but it's my fault for not designing it better, honestly. I think they're both cute in their own ways. I like the simplicity of this one, and I think that's why I designed it as such. I'm gonna see if I can put this on the iPad. It's like just barely too big, which is kind of annoying. I cut it and it just barely fits now. I like this cut line. This is nice. I think I'm gonna leave it big and I'm gonna leave it up to the person. They can cut it if they would like, because I've definitely done that before. Like when I got this clunky picnic sticker, it was in a big square shape and then I cut it down to size. In other news, I sold my first Keep Pushing sticker. I saw on Elsa's profile that they like Adventure Time, so I drew a huge fin on the back. I used to draw this doodle of Finn on like everything when I was in like high school and middle school. So yeah, this is the Keep Pushing sticker if you didn't see my last studio vlog. And then I gave her some freebies, this Fiona sticker since I know she liked Adventure Time, and then another skateboard sticker since she ordered a skating sticker. And I just think it looks so cute with the little pink memo sheet note and the business card. Yeah, I still have not designed a little clip-on header to go like this. I tried and then I miserably failed. So yeah, for now I'm just using washi tape. I've seen Tiffany Wayne do that a couple times. This is my favorite washi tape. It's so on brand for me because it's dogs and it's like a gray kind of taupe color. So yeah, thank you so much, Elsa, for being the first person to order a Keep Pushing sticker. And then like with the packaging, that is so fun. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I love stickers. I used to draw a lot of fan art growing up and I kind of stopped recently, but I want to start doing that again. Watching the new Fiona and Cake series definitely got me more inspired to do more fan art. And then last night I was kind of sketching Krona a little bit from Soul Eater. I used to draw Krona a lot in high school. I had severe social anxiety and I felt like Krona was the only character that I could semi-relate to. So now it's time to go to the post office. Hi, it's 2 a.m. I'm packing some orders right now because I feel like if I wait till the morning, I'm gonna wake up late because I'm up late right now, and then I'm gonna be in a rush to try and make it before the post office closes. I had been shipping through PayPal, but since Depop took away PayPal, I decided to use Depop labels, which I don't think I've ever done.
Maybe we could all learn a thing or two from those sandwiches. Thank you.
Hi, today is November 1st. When I think of November 1st, I think about, I think it's a new moon when Edward's gone and Bella just writes the header. I'll like insert a picture or something, but yeah, it's November. I also think about November Rain by Guns N' Roses, and I also think about November by Tyler the Creator. I'm about to pack some orders, so I wanted to show like what sold. Today I listed a couple of my favorite pieces because I have a concert next week and I want to make sure that we will have like the money set aside for gas and food and stuff like that because it's out of town. My sambas sold and I'm so sad because I loved these so much, and I got them from my friend Sabina. She has a YouTube channel as well. These went really well with my color palette and everything. I just have too many black pairs of shoes, and especially in these upcoming colder months, I know I'm gonna be wearing my Tims, my Docs, and my Converse a lot. And then I have an Axis Femme piece. I love this piece so much too, but I really do prefer baby doll style tops over peplum tops. If you're unfamiliar, baby doll style is like empire waistline and then it flares out under the bust. I really like that. And this one flares out at the waist, which is cute, but it makes me look very boxy on top. So this did sell pretty quick as well. All three of these pieces under favor sold because I will miss them. I knew that this was on a lot of people's ISOs, but I didn't want to let it go because it was my only white cream baby doll sweater. This is the one that Hollister came out with last year, but Urban Outfitters came out with one this year, and I prefer the neckline of that one, so I sold this one in order to be able to buy the other one, if that makes sense. That's what sold. Gonna miss them. Really nice pieces. Really, really nice pieces. Not easy to come by. So for like, I want to say about a month or two, Hobby Lobby ran out of my favorite silver tissue paper that I had been using for my orders. So I went to Target to look for silver tissue paper, and they had so many colors of tissue paper and decorative ones with holes and glitter. Basically any tissue paper you could imagine, Target had it. So I ended up getting like a glittery set, monochromatic. I have had such a problem. So is Target, and you know what happened? This happened! I ate these on the way home. Now, from far away, these packs are perfect. The only thing is that if you come in real close, do you see that? Hi. Hi, how are you doing today? It's Monday, November 6th. That's what my laptop says. It's about to be like 3 p.m. here, so I need to hurry and go to the post office. I am packing a very special order. Lynn ordered some stickers from my shop. They ordered the 2 first stickers I got manufactured in my last studio vlog, the bunny girl and then the keep pushing. I love how these look together. And then they also ordered this little sticker pack. It's sparkly, and it was this concept I had for a teddy bear fishing using a strawberry. This is my favorite fish to catch, so just a normal bass. And then I have the little strawberry. This took me so many tries to get right. This was really hard because I wasn't sure how to get the colors. I didn't want to do like a blended. I mean, now honestly I probably would do a blended, but my coloring style is very simplistic. I don't do too much blending. So I like how it came out with the little bubbles and stuff. What they don't know is that today, their order was at the perfect time. Today I got in new stickers and I decided I'm gonna give Lynn the very first guitar sticker. Oh my gosh, isn't it so cool? So I got 2 stickers. This one's my original artwork. It's a black and white Telecaster. The other sticker I got is fan art of one of my favorite Adventure Time episodes, Jake the Brick. If you've never seen this episode before or you don't watch Adventure Time, Jake wants to be there when all the bricks go tumbling down. So he shapeshifts into a little brick and he's there waiting. So I drew the little on air and then the little walkie-talkie, and then there's Jake as a brick, and there's I think his name is Mr. Bunny. And now I am packing up Wynn's order. Look how cute the little lace. I wasn't playing. I literally listed a lot of my personal prized clothing pieces. I'm really stressed about the holidays, like so many presents for so many family members and lots of traveling back and forth between families. So I sold my beloved fluffy shorts. Here's the last look at them. I sold 2 Jake the dog or Jake the Brick stickers, which is so fun. I just feel bad that I don't really have like a good freebie to go with this because it's like very specific. So hopefully I have some more Adventure Time stickers soon. But yeah, I really like this one. It makes me really happy. I put it over here on my desk. Noodles, what are you doing? What is Noodles doing? What are you making? Hi, today is November 18th, I think. Guys, I am screaming, like actually screaming. This is all for an order. My swagra follows my Instagram and she reached out that she wanted to buy every single sticker from my Depop. Yeah, I really appreciated it.